What an exciting time, for the last game of the season to mean so much for our city and for our organization, to think about where we've come from, to see where we're at today with a chance against a really good football team. It's exciting, and hopefully it's a loud atmosphere. Las Vegas, we need you. It's going to be an exciting time, that's for sure.
When you get into the NFL, that's what you think about is Super Bowls, playoffs, things of that nature. And ever since I got here, we've been close. But now we're, the closest we've been. So we're not there yet. And that's, what I keep reminding myself every day. Every day I come into meetings, practice, everything, that we're not there yet. We do have a feel-good story and people, everyone's talking about us and we've gone through a lot and things like that. But if we lose, a lot of people are going to forget about it, to be realistic. So for me, I'm, doing everything I possibly can. Personally, to be, in the best position, on Sunday to help our team win.
No matter what the records were, this game meant a lot to everyone. We never wanted to end the season not beating the Chargers. We always knew that when we went down to San Diego or LA, it was going to be another home game for us. Right. We had a bonus home game because the Raider Nation is second to absolutely none. They can't deny us. We are the best. We have the best fan base. We have the best brand. And it shows because they have to open up in Las Vegas.
Yep.
They have to close it out in Las Vegas.
I think it's almost like, we've had a 16-game season, and this is the first round of the playoffs. It's almost that mentality. So you're right, to be in this position, to where you have an opportunity like we have presented to ourselves, we just don't want to miss it.
These are one of those games that will be remembered forever. Sunday Night Football, both teams, if you win, you're in.
So the Raiders now are all in, and they were going to be all in anyway, but they got to win this game.
Buckle up, Raider Nation. Your team just one win away from the NFL playoffs. It's the Raiders hosting the Los Angeles Chargers. The winner moves on. The loser goes home.
These fans know what at stake. The whole city go be out. People go flying in from all over the place, and so it's gonna be a crazy atmosphere, a great playoff atmosphere, and this is what you live for right here.
Let's go. Hey, everything we talked about for the last 4 weeks, we earned today. Here it is. Whatever you want, you got to go take it. Ain't nobody can give it to you. Let's go take what we want and keep our season going. We on three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, it's go time. Go time.
Got it. Hey, man, just stay locked in from start to finish, bro. Don't overthink anything, bro. We're living in the moment. We put in too much work, bro. Have fun today. Let's go. Bring it up, baby. Let's go. Gang on me. Gang on 3. 1, 2, 3.
And now here he comes, number 4. Listen to the crowd for Derek Carr. The torch starts to burn brightly on the biggest game the Raiders have ever played in the state of Nevada. A sellout crowd here as the Chargers come to town to play the Raiders. Win and you're in. This is some atmosphere here tonight in Las Vegas.
Ball on the tee at the 35-yard line. Raiders to receive. Chargers won the toss and they deferred, and off we go. The final game of the regular season.
Here is Carr looking in that direction. Has to come off it. Drop it to Moreau. Moreau across the 40, 35, 30. In a foot race across the 20, 10. Fumbles and out of bounds it goes.
And this is a chip shot from 24 out to give Las Vegas the lead. 3rd down and 7. Herbert throws, that is caught, but short of the first down. Meanwhile, A.J. Cole skies one to the 18-yard line. Here's Roberts darting and dancing. The ball is out. The ball is out. The crowd thinks the Raiders have it. And the indication is yes, Las Vegas with the ball. 2nd and 9, play action to the end zone. Caught, touchdown, Hunter Renfrow. Exploited, staying on his feet. Austin Eckler for the touchdown.
Play action. Herbert drops back, throws it to Eckler. Eckler's free, got the 10, 5, heads for the end zone, touchdown. And Eckler has scored both touchdowns here for the Chargers, who have taken their first lead of this game. Derek Carr and the Raiders will have 1:52. They've got time left here. Carr fires into the middle. Waller with his first catch breaks across the 45 to the 49-yard line. 3rd down and 23. Raiders are backed up to their own 35-yard line. And the Raiders are going to run it conservatively and then punt. Jalen Richard crosses midfield, crosses the 45.
He got first down.
And he got the first down. How about that run? 24 yards by Jalen Richard. Carr back into the gun, steps off to the left, can't find a receiver, has to throw it deep down the left side, and penalty flag is thrown. They knock Zay Jones down in the end zone. Jacobs sprinting, cuts, battles, jackpot, baby! Just Jacobs behind Sutton Smith.
I told you, bro. Hey, that right tackle's outside every time. Thank you.
17-14, and the Raiders deserve a big ovation, taking advantage of the Charger mistakes. And they get exactly that, leading the Chargers 17-14.
Final regular season game at Allegiant Stadium. Chargers to get the ball to start the 3rd quarter.
Second down and 3. Play action. Herbert looking back to the left. Fires complete. Wide open is Jared Cook, deep into Raider territory.
2nd and 13. And buried by Quentin Jefferson.
Here comes the field goal unit to attempt a field goal, and if successful, we'll be tied. This would be as long. This is 51 yards. Here it is, off to the one side. No good. And that gives the Raiders excellent field position. What a great job by the Raider defense.
They want to see us up front. Keep kicking their ass up front.
They're going for this.
Well, they say they are anyway. I mean, this would be the gamble of gambles.
Herbert's under center. Here's Eckler. He's in the backfield. He didn't get it. Raider football. Raider football at the 15-yard line. The riverboat gambler rolls snake eyes, baby. That can happen in Las Vegas. Here we go. So it's 3rd down and 3. Here comes Herbert, and he gets going to be sacked back at the 21-yard line. Mad Max Crosby. He will be here playing for the AFC on February 6th in a Pro Bowl. Mad Max with a sack, and Mr. 4th down has decided to punt this time.
Time, and the secondary is doing its work, and then he flies, and it's caught on the run, and that's Edwards again into Charger territory.
Mariota keeps it, breaks across the 20, 15, 10, still on his feet. First down and goal at the 8-yard line. Well, here we go on 3rd and goal. Jacobs is a running back. Looking at Renfrow, fires to him, touchdown! Jackpot, baby! Renfrow went in motion, and Carr wanted him all the way. It was the only receiver Derek Carr even looked at.
Casey Hayward with the interception. And Hayward, another of the ex-Chargers.
You better go back out there. Make sure you bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees, bend your knees.
Now from long distance to try to make it a 15-point lead. And the kick is good. Stays perfect.
29-14. That's a huge lead.
Oh, it is.
We're 8:23 from Cincinnati.
Herbert to the end zone and incomplete. Had it for a second. Williams is there. 4th down.
And here we go again. 4th down. 4th down. The clock at 4:35 now. Raiders are back on a 4th and 21 looking coverage. Herbert has time. Fires deep end zone. Caught in the end zone. Touchdown Chargers.
Here we go. 2-point conversion. And that is going to be hauled in for the 2-pointer by Eckler. Carr. Pressured. Ball is out. The ball is out. Joey Bosa knocked it out. And it's still going to wind up as the Raider ball. So here we go again on a 4th down. Herbert fires, caught, and again they just barely get the first down. This time it's Allen. They're 4 for 5 on 4th down tonight. Need this one. Herbert fires, and that's going to be incomplete. Flag is down, though.
Jared Cook got held.
22 seconds. 4th down and 10. Herbert takes the snap. Straight back. Fires to the left. Got a first down across the 30-yard line. Goes back to Williams. Let's see if Herbert gets a clean pocket here.
Herbert firing, and it is going to be caught in the end zone by the big body Mike Williams. Insanity. This is just insane. 83 yards, made every 4th down, and we are going to overtime. For those of you just tuning in, number one, I'm sorry you missed a hell of a game to this point. And if you want to know what's going to happen and you don't know, this game winds up at a tie. Both teams go to the playoffs.
And here we go again. The cardiac kiss. Derek hands it off now to Jacob. Jacob 25, cuts across 30, breaks a tackle. 35, 40, 45, across midfield and out of bounds at the Chargers' 46-yard line. Josh Jacobs. Here's Jacobs. Breaks again. 40, 35, 30 to the 29. The man's on fire. First down and 10. 3rd down and 3. Get the first down here, and they can keep it going. Carr goes back into the gun, takes the snap, steps up in the pocket, fires toward the end zone, incomplete.
Jumping the air too far.
This will be a 40-yard attempt
to put the Raiders ahead in overtime.
Cole will put it down. Carlson, who's never missed in this stadium. And still has it, just barely. Instead, Herbert's going to fire wide open is Jared Cook. And Cook is taken out of bounds.
4th down and 10.
Do the Raiders go to the playoffs? Or do the Chargers keep the game going? 4th down. Down to this. Herbert fires. It is Williams. Williams again. All the way down to about the 27-yard line.
3rd down and 6. Herbert takes it straight back. Fires deep to the right side of the end zone. Williams can't throw it. Incomplete. And here we go again. It is 4th down, and let's see, they're going to kick for it.
From 41. Whoa, baby. We ain't done yet.
Good. Let's go. Good Take care of the ball now. Take care of the ball.
Okay, now we're playing sudden death, and that brings Mr. Carlson front and center.
Well, Carr's going to look downfield, going to throw, and that's going to be at the 42-yard line, Brian Edwards. And now you've got a 3rd down and 8.
Carr looks, goes over to the left-hand side, and Zay Jones makes a heck of a grab for the 1st down, and it's in Charger territory.
Who could have ever dreamed of this scenario? 3rd and 4.
It's Jacobs, cuts over to the left, slashes back, breaks through, crosses the 30, has a 1st down, ladies and gentlemen, with 30 seconds left in overtime. They're in Daniel Carlson territory.
Looks like Derek's going to run it all the way down.
Bring that down.
Take the final time, or take a timeout.
The Raiders have won 5 games on the final play this year. Remember that. That's the most. That's the most since the merger more than 50 years ago. And they are closing in on number 6. Little 47-yarder. Jackpot, baby! Let's go to Cincinnati! Yeah, baby! 5 walk-off field goals for Daniel Carlson this year. 6 final play wins. Oh my, the celebration is just beginning here at Allegiant Stadium.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Good fight.